Hello to Poljot 24. This is a Poljot 3133 chronograph, and today I show you how to use it. You can wind the watch until you reach the stop. You cannot overwind it or break it manually. So now it has full power, and then you can pull out the crown and set the time. In order to quick set the date, there is a trick. You have to jump over midnight like that, and then just turn 10:15 and back over midnight again. You are especially allowed to turn back the hands backwards, so that's no problem for the watch. And when you are ready, just set the time. In order to start the chronograph, just push here and it will run. Then you can push again and reset here. If you push and have it running and you accidentally push here, nothing happens. So it's very robust and you cannot again break it. So just stop and return. This is the minute counter, maximum 30 minutes. Then it turns again, and these are the normal seconds. So enjoy your Poljot chronograph.